Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It has been a long time no see. When I tell y'all I have been drowning in paperwork, schoolwork, papers, speeches, tests, y'all, I have been going through it. So that's why y'all have not seen me in a while. I put together this video for y'all because I wanted to give you guys a glimpse of what maybe a day looks like for me. Well, pretty much every day, because I have 5 classes this semester. Probably did a little too much. Uh, Probably did a little too much, but yeah, I have 5 classes this semester. This is me dropping off my daughter before class because I have to drop her off first and then I go straight to class. And the drive from her school to class, that's my favorite part. Like, it's so peaceful, back roads. The only thing about it is if I ever break down, I'll probably be stuck out there for a while. But here I am pulling up to school. This particular day, I was really nervous because I had a biology test and we were testing over like 3 chapters. So it was a really big test. I was very, very nervous about it. So this drive wasn't the most peaceful drive. I was praying the whole time. I was watching some videos, trying to like make sure my mind was right. Once I got to the parking lot, I sat in the parking lot for like 10, 15 minutes, just trying to like look over all of my notes before I just walked in there, because this was a really, really hard test. And it is biology. So, all the things, y'all know how biology is. Um, so yeah, here's me just in the car studying. This is something that I do normally right before class anyways, before a big test. I like to look over things last minute because you never know. Like, it be those moments where like you look over something last minute and you look at it, you see it, you note it, and it's on the test. And you're like, man, I'm so happy I sat in the car and looked over these notes, because I kid you not, that particular day that I had that test, there were a few things that I looked over my notes last minute and read, and they were actually on my test. So for those of you that are in class, definitely looking at your notes last minute, there's nothing wrong with that. But yeah, I'm just like walking into the building, still very nervous. I'm in class right now. We had to go to the computer lab to take our test because they have like a very strict no cheating policy. So the way that they have us take our test is really strange. But anywho, y'all, I was a nervous wreck right here. Like, I'm like digging through my purse looking for y'all, I was all over the place. I was so nervous because, I don't think I wasn't really fully prepared for this test. Honestly, I wasn't. And I knew that I wasn't, so that's why I was so nervous. Um, but yeah, school has been interesting. I'm still very excited about it. Um, this biology class is a mini hybrid class. So instead of it being a full 16 weeks, this class is 8 weeks. So it's 16 weeks of information into 8 weeks. So it's a very, very hard, tough class. But just to give you guys the verdict of my test, I passed. I made a 96. So pat on the back. I am so proud of myself. Um, and after this test, my teacher, she walked up to me and she was like, "Oh my gosh, you got a 96. You're doing so good. I'm so proud of you." And I was so shocked that she said all that, because I was, not expecting her to even notice, but she noticed for whatever reason. And walking out this day, I was so happy. So y'all, I had to go home and bake some goods. Y'all know I've been baking a lot lately. Y'all, I have been baking a lot. Like, I'm low-key thinking about starting like a little micro bakery out of my kitchen. I don't know if I'm gonna do that or not, but I'm thinking about it, because I'm telling you, I have been making like chocolate chip cookies and trying to perfect my recipe. And y'all, they like, I am not the kind of person to eat chocolate chip cookies. I hate chocolate chip cookies. But for some reason, the ones that I have been making, like the brown butter chocolate chip cookies, they've been really, really good. Right here, I am making like a Russian bun. It's called a cheesecake crumb bun. This was really fun to make. It was really fun, like working with the dough, all of the things. I'm thinking about starting like just like a separate like baking channel where I just bake, and then over here I might just keep it more like vlog style, but not extensive vlog style, just because I do not want anything to get in the way of school. I need to keep my grades up. I've been doing really, really good. I'm almost at the end of the semester, and then I'll be done for Christmas break. But I don't know. I just want to kind of show you guys a little bit more of like my day to day. Not too extensive, but I do want to share more with y'all, because I think that, especially for moms out there that are wanting to go back to school, wanting to see what it's like juggling it all, I don't know. We'll see. But yeah, here I am punching down this bread. That was really cool. I had never done that before. I've seen people do that, but this is my first time doing it. And this is my favorite part right here. Cutting that dough was really fun. This whole entire, like I'm telling y'all, this whole entire thing was really fun. Y'all let me know if y'all want this recipe, and I will give you the information to I made a, like, I don't know, I'll give you guys the recipe if you want it. But this was pretty fun. It was really fun to make it. They turned out really, really good. But yeah, I'm gonna just like let y'all finish watching this little segment, and I'll jump back on here in a minute.